Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorials, we are going to learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, previously we learned all the inputs which we have seen in websites while entering our name, the input, the text boxes, and we are going to learn about the forms in this session. Well, what are forms? Well, forms are the collection of various different inputs and the buttons which we click for submitting that particular inputs. So, without wasting any time, we will catch up an example and see through it. Well, as you can see, I am taking a form tag, and inside that form tag I am taking a div class form control. In that particular div class group, in that particular div class I am going to give a input class, that is form control, and we will give it a ID as name, and we give it type of text. Okay, yes, we can give placeholder also. Placeholder would be enter name. Okay, so we will get this form inside container, and we'll give that particular container margin top 5. Now let's see it in browser. Well, you can see a input tag appeared and it says enter name, which we already saw in input session, but it's not looking quite good. So let's add a label for. In that particular for section we will have to give the ID of that input. Okay, so what we will give, name, this. Okay, now let's see. So we got a label also on that particular input box. Well, like this only we will copy that and we will paste 2 more times. We will take email over here and we will change the type to email. Okay, and enter email, ID would be email, and we'll copy that and we'll for email. Okay, form control, and after that we will take phone number as well. Type would be phone. Okay, now let's see what we get. Okay, so we got 3 input fields with their labels, name, email, phone, saying enter name, then enter email, enter phone. So now we will be trying to add a button inside that particular form. Button class would be button success, and we will write submit, and we can add one more button as danger for cancel button. So what we got? We got a form So this entire structure with all the buttons, all the inputs are called as forms. Well, we have seen many forms in our life with various different websites. As we discussed in the input session, we see all the inquiry forms, contact us form, then we get to see the registration forms online which are on particular website, or we have seen Google Forms. So forms are basically the all input groups plus the buttons which we include. Okay, so now we will add this particular form inside a card. Okay, so I have taken a div class and we will write that. Okay, so in that card we can take class card body. If you have no idea what cards are, well, you can refer to the Bootstrap tutorials of Bootstrap cards. Now let's see. Well, you get a card like structure, so we will arrange it we will give it width as 50 and we will write the margin to auto. Now let's see. Well, you can see we get a structure like this and you can write all the details. We get a submit and cancel button. We'll be giving the submit and cancel button we will close the card body here. Okay, and now we will add card footer, and inside that footer we have defined the particular buttons. Now as you can see, the card inside that particular card footer we got the two buttons, and we will get it text center. We'll get card header, and inside that card header I will write a h4 tag So we got the Bootstrap forms like this and with the button also. Well, let's just try to add a text area with a placeholder. We'll write message and we'll give it a text with rows 3. We'll close the tag. Now let's see what we get. We got a text area which is responsive as well in Bootstrap. So we can enhance this form with various background colors, giving the various different animations to that particular button so that it looks very attractive. So this was basically the concept of forms. Well, while using all the input text which we saw in the previous session. Well, that's all for today's class. We'll be learning some more exciting stuff in future coming class. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.